In this video, I'll talk about how you can switch between channels on YouTube TV. Now, if you're using a phone or a tablet, you want to use the YouTube TV app. Now, once you're on the app, tap on the live at the bottom, and then you can just scroll through the channels and select the channel you want to switch to. Now, here's the quick tips, and I'll leave these for all of them. Swipe left or right while watching live TV to switch between channels. On your PC, you can go to tv.youtube.com, sign in, click on live, click on any channel, and you can start watching. You can press L on your keyboard to open the live guide faster. Now, on smart TV or streaming devices, you can open the app. You can download that from the App Store. On most smart TVs and streaming devices, there will be an App Store where you can download it, or you can select the browser. Usually on smart TV, there will be an internet browser, and just type in tv.youtube.com, and it'll also work on the smart TV. Then, once you're there, you just want to select the live and scroll to the channel you want to select. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.